rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be sponsored by Isee Hair. They sent me a closure wig. This wig is 180 density. It is a bob wig, so I'll just be unpackaging the box to show you guys everything I received. I got some lashes. These are strip lashes. I also received a wig cap in the nude color. As well, they put in this feedback card, as you can see. And also, this kind of confused me, but when I opened it, it was actually a mask. And here is the wig. As I said before, it is 180 density, and it is a 4x4 closure bob wig. So I'm just going to show you guys inside. It does have clips. It has about 4 clips inside the wig, and it also has an adjustable elastic band that you can use to secure the wig as well. The hair did feel really nice. I have worked with Isee hair before, so I have no complaints when it comes to the hair. It was super thick and full, like you could see the ends. It was super full. But I'm just going ahead and placing the wig onto my canvas head, and I'm just showing you how dense the closure was. So I will be going in and plucking the closure, and I do prefer to do this wet sometimes, so you can just watch as I show you guys bits and pieces. So once I finish plucking the closure, I'm going to go ahead and use my wax stick and my hot comb to flatten everything down. Guys, I do not stop hot combing the hair until I feel like everything is like super flat. And once that's done, I go ahead and I just part out my baby hairs, and I will also I will also go ahead and hot comb my baby hairs so that they lay flat. And you can see I'm plucking them. That's just to make them thinner so my baby hairs don't look too thick.
What I preach, they lie and put her out my way, think it lost to see. Not sure what you wanted, but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, bet I hit a peak, yeah.
So I decided I'm going to be crimping this wig. So I'm going in with my Total Control Stiff Spray by Dudley's. And I will will be using my crimper to achieve the waves in this wig. I'm also using a T-pin to hold down the back, just so it doesn't keep lifting up while I part the hair. So guys, you can continue watching as I crimp this hair.
preach. They lie, put her out my way, think it lost to see. Not sure what you wanted, but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, bet I hit a peak, yeah.
So once I finished crimping the hair, I went in and cut a piece of the front. As you can see, it's shorter and it's more blunt. And I'm just going in and I'm going around and cutting everything. Make sure you do not pull the hair when you are cutting it. And this pink clip is just to guide me as to how short I wanted the back. So I'm just going in and holding the hair lightly, cutting it.
I practice what I preach. They lie, I put her out my way, think it lost to see. Not sure what you wanted, but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, but I hit a peak, yeah.
So now I'm just going in with a wide tooth comb and I'm just combing out the crimps. I'm also running my hands through it. I just wanted it to have a bit more volume. Once that's all done, I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer. I use Fawn and I'm just going to color in the closure using a makeup brush. And I'm just gonna cover the entire closure with the concealer. I'll be using the Got To Be Free spray to just pull back my baby hairs before I lay the wig on my head. So I adjusted the elastic band to the last hook just so that it could fit my head perfectly. And now you'll see me going in and cutting off the excess lace at the front, and I'll also be doing my baby hairs. So I like doing this step because I feel like it holds my closure down more. I just go in with my Got To Be spray and I spray it a bit, and I use my black Wrap It Up strip and I just tie it down on the hairline where I just applied the baby hairs. That way the lace will stick down on my head. And I'll just go in and blow dry it for about 2 minutes, and that is about it.
What I preach. They lie, I put her out my way, think it lost to see. Not sure what you wanted, but I'm what you need. I know my high just started, but I hit a peak, yeah.
Did you guys just see that iron burn me? I just want you guys to know that you need to be so careful with this hot comb. Like, I was so far, well, I wasn't that far away from the mirror, but I was trying my best to see exactly what I was doing, but I wasn't close enough. But I mean, just be careful. Right now I'm just doing my little touch-ups just so that the hair looked exactly how I want it to. It's laying down flat enough and all that good stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys leave comments below. Let me know how you guys feel about these closure wigs coming back, because honestly, I feel like it's way easier than the frontals, and it is so much quicker. Like, it just makes life so much easier. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, if you're not following me already, go and follow me on Instagram, on Snapchat at nae.simone. You can also follow my hair page at Pariis Hair, and that's Pariis with 2 eyes. Okay, that's all, guys.